Do you want to turn yourself into a toy or an action figure? Let's create a boxed figure look in PhotoDirector. Open the app, click on, for example, crystal ball, and here you can choose blister box, import your image. It's very important. Okay, and this is my image, and click on generate. Wait a few seconds, maybe even up to a minute, and then you will have your perfect box figure. Just wait for it, be patient, because it's not easy to make your size smaller, but here we go. It's visible that I am a student. Don't forget to save your image and have a nice rest of the day. Bye bye.